We're in Phuket, Thailand today. We are in this beautiful villa. Let's take a tour. Come on. First off, look at the beautiful, beautiful pool. I wonder if it's cold. Oh, it's really good. Should I just jump in? Just... All right, come on there. Let's take a look around. Beautiful dining room. Or not dining room, it's a dining table outside. I like that they have this mezzanine area where it's kind of shaded because the difference from here, here versus right here, big difference. But let's go inside because it's getting a bit hot. So once you walk in, we're greeted by the dining room table. It's all set up. I've been told that everything you see in this video is also gonna be what you get. So maybe minus some little things, but yeah, everything is included in the price, all the decorations and stuff like that. Moving to the kitchen area over here. It's a huge kitchen. Like, this is huge. We have a counter, like island. Kitchen has an oven, has the electric stove, a hood, bunch of storage. I mean, look at all this countertop space. Man, I am jealous. I really want this place now. Dishwasher, a fridge, built-in AC, and honestly, I can really see myself throwing like parties every weekend here, like, you know, family gatherings. Sorry, not parties. I'm not a big party person, but just look how cozy this is. I really like how they decorated everything. You like the colors there?
Yeah.
Right? Very nice.
Very nice.
Another built-in AC here. And let me see how comfy this couch is. Look very comfy. Oh!
Okay, up there.
Fine, I'll go upstairs first. But yeah, very beautiful. All the built-ins are very, very nice. Perfectly decorated in my opinion. Check out these things. I didn't really see this earlier. Interesting. It's a two-story unit, so we'll go upstairs now.
Oh, it has bathroom.
Yeah, so there's 3 bathrooms in total in this whole building. There's one downstairs right there, and 2 up here. I'll show you guys that now. The 2 smaller bedrooms can be on this side. You can go take a look real quick.
Oh, this color is very nice. All colors.
Yeah, right? They keep the tonage very good. Like, it's just like minimalistic tone. The wood is all the same colors. The bed sheets, the pillows, everything is like curtains. It's very, very nice. Yeah, I like the greenery they planted around too. It looks very, very nice and green. This is the other small bedroom. Wow, check this out. This is like a nice little spot where you can, you know?
Oh,
You like this one?
yeah.
It's a little bit more light, I think, coming in from the window, right? So,
Wow.
yeah, so you get like a very nice, you can be laying down in the bed, you get a very nice little view out the window. Oh, the air, this AC, does the other room have the AC as well?
Yeah.
Does it? Oh yeah, okay, so
Yeah.
they're all built-in ACs. So this is the second bathroom here that I'm showing you. It has a shower. Oh, my favorite, again, the black one. I don't know why, guys, I love the black showers. Just, it looks better in my opinion. Now let's go and check out the master bed. Wow, this is huge.
Whoa.
Wow, they decorate very well. Look at the carpet. Like, even the carpet is all decorated very nicely. Oh, there's even a little nook here where you can like, oh, this is great. This is actually awesome. Like, imagine like just chilling here, reading a book or playing on your phone. Very, very nice. I mean, there's also a table here where you can put your laptop on. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. TV. Oh, wow, there's this space here too. Okay. So this kind of acts as your walk-in closet for all the wives or the girlfriends or whatever. Or I mean, I guess any guys that, you know, really want this to be their area, go for it. But big, huge mirror here. Can do all your makeup. Ooh, you think they would let me have one of these? That's actually a lot of storage. You got one here. You got this one as well. Wow, whoever designed, I mean, even look at their fashion sense. I mean, they look like they know what they're doing. They know how to dress, they know how to design. Oh, there's another one here as well, okay. And then of course, it overlooks into this little tiny balcony of your backyard. The pool right over there. Master bathroom, so this one has a built-in bathroom in the unit. You got the bathtub. Oh, it's a bathtub with a shower? With another shower. You know, if you don't want to take a bath, you take a shower. If you don't want to take a shower, you take a bath. Very lovely. I'm very impressed with this place. So this was the downstairs bathroom that I was saying. Usually this downstairs bathroom doesn't have a shower, but this one does. 3 bathrooms with 3 showers. Yeah, see, this one has a shower in here as well. Which again, usually they don't, you know, it's usually a half bath. You don't get a shower. And oh, they even put like this little thoughtful little place where you can sit and put on your shoes. You guys ever like get on your shoes and like, you know what I mean? So, and I think this is probably, I bet, yep, where you would keep your shoes. They got shoes in here right now. Very thoughtful in my opinion. So they've got hookups for your laundry machine right here. You can already see the water. But I think you can also just like keep other stuff in here, or maybe, you know, if your wife doesn't let you game, put your gaming desk over here. So yeah, very nice, very beautiful. You want to check out this area too? So there are greenery spaces.
Oh.
Yeah, wow. Having a lawn is very important, I think. A lot of places in Thailand don't really care about green and lawn and stuff like that, and garden, right? And look at this big carport as well. This is a huge carport. You can fit 2 cars here, right? 1, 2? I think so. 2 and motorcycles too.
Yeah.
Maybe like a few motorcycles. Oh, definitely. Look at this area here. If you want to put your motorcycles here, like imagine you have like 5 motorcycles, like a scooter.
10 motorcycles?
Yeah, you can put like 10 motorcycles here. So that's a very cool. I didn't actually see this yet over here on this side. From the carport, you can actually walk all the way to the backyard. Wow, that's beautiful.
Wow.
So tell me about the location there. Where are we right now? We're in Talang, right?
Yeah, Bang Chol.
Bangzhou, okay.
Talang.
And it's right next to, like 3 minutes away from Lotus, 3 minutes away from Home Pro, 3 minutes away from Grocery.
Yeah.
Which is grocery, not the actual grocery, but the shopping mall called Grocery. Yeah.
And near Robinson.
And near Robinson, yeah, I think it's about 7 minutes on the motorcycle, because we actually came from Robinson today. Yeah, this is amazing. Let's go inside and talk about prices. So again, to recap, this is a 3-bed, 3-bath. You get a pool in Talang area in Phuket, Thailand. This whole property costs 18.99 million Thai baht. But there are units in this neighborhood going for 13.99. So if you're interested in this design, in this way of decorating the interior and this location, I highly recommend visiting and checking it out. If you're in the area, make sure to message me or even just comment on this video. We'll come and open the house for you. And in the next video, we're gonna go check out the 13.99 million baht version. And don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe for more tours or just Thai life here. See you guys.